In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix slow loading speed on your Shopify store. A slow store can really hurt your sales because visitors simply don't wait around for pages to load. The good news is that there are a few quick, free changes you can make inside your Shopify admin to speed things up, and that's exactly what we'll walk through together. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage orders, products, and your online store. From here, we're going to focus on three big things that commonly slow stores down: unnecessary apps, heavy themes, and large media files. Start by looking at your apps. In the bottom left corner of your dashboard, click on Settings, then click on Apps. You'll see a list of all the apps installed on your store. Extra apps often add scripts and code that load on every page, even if you're not actively using them. Go through this list carefully. For each app you don't really need, click on the three dots next to it, then choose Uninstall. Confirm the uninstall and move on to the next one. Try to keep only the apps that are essential for your business. Trimming this list alone can make a noticeable difference to your speed. Next, return to your main Shopify dashboard and click on Online Store. Here you'll see your current theme and any other themes you've added. Extra, unused themes can also add clutter. Click on the three dots next to any themes you're not using and select Remove to delete them. Don't remove your active theme, just the ones you know you no longer need. Still under Online Store, click on Visit Theme Store. Once you're in the theme store, click on the free section and look for one of the newer, regularly updated themes. These are usually better optimized for performance. If you decide to switch, choose a modern, lightweight theme and avoid adding too much custom code, because heavy customizations can slow things down again. Now let's clean up your media. Go back to your dashboard, then click on Content, and then Files. This area holds your images, videos, and other uploaded files. Old, unused, or very large files can impact how quickly your pages load, especially if they're used in multiple places. Carefully delete images and videos you're no longer using. Keep your key product and branding visuals, but remove anything that's outdated or duplicated. If you've done all of this and your store is still slow, it's time to reach out to Shopify directly. From your dashboard, click on Settings and scroll down to the Help section. Click on Get Help next to the Shopify Help Center. When the support page opens, look for the option to chat with support, usually shown as Chat with Human in the corner. Open a chat, explain that your store speed is slow and they can check your store specifically, and point out anything else that might be causing issues. Follow these steps and you'll have a cleaner, faster Shopify store that gives your visitors a much better experience.